Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel again. In this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to do a science fiction moving poster using Photoshop. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video you will get notified. Let's get started with the tutorial. So for the size is 1080 by 1350. Our first image, let's bring in our first image, resize it, then we'll go to blur, Gaussian blur. I'll set the Gaussian blur to 22.2. Bring in our second image, resize it, while the marks will select our brush tool, we clear with the bottom sides, the edges. Yes, then we change the mode to soft light. Then we'll go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. We set it to 9.4. We bring another image again, resize it, add the marks. Select our brush tool again, then we repeat the process. We blend all those edges, then we will change the mode to lighting, then click on filter, blur, then Gaussian blur, set the Gaussian blur to 4.6. Then get another image again, resize it, then we'll change the mode to screen. Bring our main image. This is the main image. We try centralizing it because we want it to be at the center. So resize it, then we try to place it at the center. Yeah. So we add the marks. We blend or resize. Blend it with the background. I think it's okay. Yeah. Then we'll pick another image again, resize it, then we use our brush to blend out the edges we don't need. Then position it very well. So this is showing. Then we change the mode to soft lights. font style is Terrano. And I want to neutralize the text. Neutralize it. So I want to bring in our small right up image. Resize it. Change the mode to lighting. So that's it for the science fiction movie poster.